In this video, we'll make these cute envelopes for your loved ones. The materials required would be a sheet of paper at least 100 GSM, newspaper, scissors, paints, jute, pencil, brushes and a marker. Start with a newspaper, fold it into half, take a pencil and make a half heart shape. Now cut it and you will have a heart shape. Place this on the paper, trace it and you have a heart shape. Now take your favorite paint, brush and start by making cute little hearts. Make little polka dots with white paint. Now take a marker, hold your paper this way and outline the edges. Turn around the heart and fold equally from both the sides as shown here. Now fold from the top and bottom. Now take the leftover paper and cut a heart shape from it. Paint it from both sides, take a punching machine and make a hole. Now take a piece of paper, put your envelope over it and trace it. Write a cute message on it and put inside the envelope. Take jute and put your heart inside it. Tie your envelope with it. Our envelope is ready. You can make it in any size and color.